gonna be a busy day here at Coyote Classics. We have about 9 cars to check out, video, and test drive. And we're gonna start with this beautiful rotisserie restored 1968 Plymouth Satellite.
Yeah, turned into a Roadrunner clone. Roadrunner hood, factory tack, gauges. Obviously you have the Roadrunner horn.
Iconic.
Yeah, rotisserie restored, Dalton, and that's the biggest point with this 1968 Satellite. The floors, the frame, the trunk, everything is super solid, all painted black underneath, new exhaust, gorgeous running big block under the hood.
Just beautifully done.
I think we run the numbers on this, and I think this is a big block 400.
Nice.
Yeah. Aluminum radiator, power steering, Willwood disc brakes. But look at the quality of the restoration underneath the hood. That's really what it tells about the whole tale of the whole restoration. So nice job under the hood. I like how they split the colors here.
Yeah, and quality is everything in an old car, and you're getting a lot of bang for your buck with this Roadrunner Tribute.
Stock manifolds, they didn't go ahead and put headers on there. I like that. It's a lot easier to change spark plugs with the manifolds and the headers. So go ahead and fire this one up, Dalt.
Sounds awesome. Perfect sound.
Well, the guy that had this rotisserie restored was an older gentleman. And then
it's got that nice muscle car sound, but it's not obnoxiously loud.
Yeah, it's definitely all muscle, and it's a really cool color.
Here, I'll hand that to you. We'll go around and check her out a little closer.
Now, as we go around in closer inspection, you're going to see that the hood lines up awesome front to back. Really nice and even across the top of the hood, and I like that they did the hood in that correct matte black, you know.
It's more like a one more thing under the hood too that kind of showed the quality, because I can see it through the grill. But even like all this down here is all painted, new bolts, everything was, you know, apart and done.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Yeah, great point.
And kind of all the little spots that usually get skimped.
Yeah.
When it has restoration, this one was done properly.
Looks like they went ahead and did new bumpers. The headlight eyebrows and grille is original. You can see just a little pitting in that, but not a big deal there. Back of the hood lines up to the cowl really nicely. Top of the fender and cowl line up good. I love the Cragar SS wheels. We turned the BFG raised white letters out. Got a little tiny paint imperfection right there and a tiny chip. So even though this one was done right, but it was still done a few years ago, and if a guy drove it a little bit, you're gonna have a few little chips, Dalton.
Absolutely, but this is a car that'll definitely take a trophy at your local car show.
Yeah, it's quality.
Vinyl top's really nice too.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. No bubbles or blisters anywhere underneath that vinyl top. Just like you want to see. Back shelf, top of the back seat looks great. Bottom of the door sucks in nicely there. Quarter panel is awesome. In front and behind. Kind of gives you a little idea of the undercarriage. See how nice that is? All new exhaust. Really clean under there. Doors open and close nice. The jambs all look good. And I love the seats that they did on here, and they matched it front and back. And they did kind of the suede, kind of that newer suede inserts front and back.
Which is, it's going to be really nice with black interior too, because when you get in, that suede's not going to be super hot on your legs like that vinyl would be.
Correct. And how about this? You know, you got the tilted up there. The lights work inside the console. Headliner is excellent. The dome light works as well. New rubbers. I really like this one. I love the color. I love the factory tack, Roadrunner steering wheel, emblems throughout, full console, which is great. So many of these Roadrunners came with the automatic on the column.
A lot of them did, yeah.
You look up and down the sides, the body's really straight. Whoever gets this one's gonna love it. The tires look good as far as the tread on them. Back bumper's been re-chromed.
Windows go up and down super smooth too.
Good. It's gonna be a little loud today going down, but it's a nice warm day. I'm not gonna have the windows up today, I don't think. I love the dual exhaust. Looks great underneath and looks even better coming out the back. Love the tips.
What'd they call this color? Like vitamin C orange?
It was either vitamin C orange or Hemi Orange. They had two different colors. I think this is the Hemi Orange. I think the vitamin C, yeah, the vitamin C is a little more, it's a different color. It's a lot lighter.
Yeah.
I think, but like I said, we have to know a lot about every car, we can't be just Mopar specialists. So, but I think this is Hemi Orange.
I really like that little orange cord on the headrest, you know, just kind of ties it all together really nice.
It does.
And they didn't overdo it with the orange, you know, when it comes to the interior.
We have some little paint chips that are touched up right along the edge of that door. Another couple little tiny chips there that were touched up, but it did a nice job on it. Little tiny chip there. Fender lines up really nice to the door. Even across here, the body line's nice. I really like this one, Dalton. Let's get in behind the wheel and take it for a spin, shall we? Rubbers are awesome there. Door panels, armrest, base pads are all new. Paint's excellent here, the correct stickers. Again, gauges are crystal clear with factory tack. Lights work in the console on both sides. Let's just roll up our back window, shall we? New rubbers and felts. And as we look right along here, you do have a couple tiny little chips right along the felt line. As we fire it up, it starts really easy. Like I said, it's I haven't drove this one. Michael drove this back though an hour and a half from purchasing it. So it tells about its dependability. Factory tack works, temp gauge, gas gauge, alternator gauge all work. Yep. Heater fan works. I think it doesn't work.
I think that.
Courtesy light. There it goes. There you go. Okay. Let's see if that radio works, Steve.
Yeah, radio will work if we find a station.
There you go. It's got an antenna too, so. Get the old CDs out, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Paint on the dash is really nice as well. I mean, just gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Like I said, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck with this car.
Transmission shifts well. There we go. Speedometer looks like it's got just a little bounce here, but we'll see if it wants to straighten out for us as we go down the road. Like you said, if you don't want nothing loud and obnoxious, it's really sounds nice.
Oh, yeah, it's perfect. Nice shift.
Yeah, really nice shift. Brakes, got the Willwoods up front. Check that out, D. No pull left or right. You got a nice pedal. Doesn't have power brakes, but like I said, you got the... There's Tommy, landlord. Here's your landlord.
There he is.
He's probably going to want to know if you got the grass mode.
Yeah.
Freaking grass is going like crazy here in Iowa, isn't it?
It is, it is.
Beautiful springtime in Iowa. I'm gonna go through the gears once. We'll watch that factory tack and see what we can do here.
Nice shift. This thing rides really nice. I like it a lot.
Hey, that's 80 mile an hour. Pulling about 3,200 RPM. But listen to how quiet it is, even about 3,800. That motor is not wrapping out at all.
No, it's smooth as hell.
Look at this, no vibration, nothing. Look out across the hood how smooth that is, D.
Yeah, this is a damn nice car.
Yeah, like I said, it was built, rotisserie restored for an older gentleman that just wanted a turnkey car. So a lot of money was spent on the restoration, inside, outside, underneath, under the hood, everything.
Just ready to go. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.